Hey everyone, and welcome to math. So today's math activity is a multiplication fun. It's an escape room, just like we've done before. In this case, I'm going to go through it with you, but I have to warn you, spoiler alert. I'm going to be giving away some hints, some clues, some answers to get through it, and I don't want you to use my brain. I want you to use yours. So with this, I'm just going to give you a quick idea of what to do, and then I'm going to ask you to pause the video and only watch the video if you are struggling to the point that you can't take it anymore. You're stuck, and you're just like, I gotta escape this gingerbread house. And now you're like, Mr. Hester, come help me. And I'm here in the video right now with you the whole time. All you have to do is skip through to the one that you're on. And if you're like at that point, check out what I did. I'll explain it and then I'll go through it. It's your job, though, to get through it on your own. So get it done. Turn it in when you're done. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to click present. You don't just click through these. You actually have to click present. Once you click present, it'll put you into the escape room. Your job is to get to the end by answering the questions correctly. If you get it wrong, it'll bring you to an oops, and you'll have to go back. Let's get started. Click present, and let's work out these problems. All right, so the first one, it says, oh no, you've been trapped in a toy workshop the day before winter break. Solve the multiplication problems correctly to escape the workshop and break free. Click here to explore the workshop. So we're going to click there to explore the workshop. Boom. First question. First question says, the first room you walk into is the elves' workshop. You notice there are elves working hard making toys. In the first room, you see eight shelves, because elves on the shelf. 8 L's. So I'm just going to take some notes. Each elf, now each tells you to multiply, has 2 pointy ears. How many pointy ears do they have in the workshop? There's 8 elves, 2 ears per elf, which tells me 8 times 2 is 16 pointy ears. So once I get that correct, you'll notice it says, congratulations, you escaped the elf workroom. And then you got to click here to go to the next room. It says, you've entered the kitchen of the workshop. So we're in the kitchen now. There are delicious smelling cookies baking. I might pull one out early just to try a gooey ooey cookie. 5 cookie sheets on the counter. Each cookie sheet, each tells me to multiply, has 6 cookies. 5 times 6. How many cookies are there in all? 5 times 6 equals 30 cookies. 30 cookies tells me that I have it correct, and I escaped the kitchen. Time to go to the next room. Let's get it. You are now in the living room of the toy workshop. So I'm in the living room of the toy workshop. Katie, you want to be my special guest?
Sure.
All right, so Caitlin's here. She's going to be our special guest. She's in 3rd grade too, so she's got to try to escape the living room. Think you could do it?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. There's a cozy fireplace with a rug nearby. Ooh, I'd like to sit there. The rug has 3 rows in the pattern. Each row, each tells you to do what?
Each means time.
Times. So we're going to multiply 3 times 9. 3 times 9 on the pattern. So how many soft swirls are in the pattern of the rug? 3 times 9. What do you think?
27.
27? All right.
Yeah.
So she says 27. If we count by our threes, we can start with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 9 times 3 equals 27. Let's see if you're right, Katie. I got to click this, and then I'll click this, and then I'll click 27 swirls. You think you're right?
Yeah.
Congratulations. You escaped the living room. You want to go to the next room?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going into the next room here. You go into the next room and you see that it's a library full of books. There are books everywhere. One wall has a huge bookshelf. The bookshelf has 6 rows. Each row, what's each tell you to do?
It means times.
Okay, so each row has 8 books on it. 6 times 8.
It's 48.
6 times 8 is 48. Let's double check and see if you're correct. Boom. There's 48 books on the bookshelf. Katie's got it. Let's go. So we're going to click on next. Next, you stumbled into the office and you see a desk with lots of papers on it. They look like lists. Do you think they're Christmas lists?
Yeah.
That's Santa's office?
Mm-hmm.
Are you allowed to be in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. I don't know if you should be in there. You notice that there's 7 pages on the office table. Each page, what's each tell you to do?
Times.
Each page has 11 names on it. Do you think your name's on there?
Naughty or nice?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's a good question. How many names are on the list? 7 times 11. 7 times 11. Let's say it together in 3, 2, 1. 77. Oh, man, I think we got it right. Let's check it.
Because you double the 7.
Oh, you double the 7s because it's like 1 and 1?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's
So
a good
7 and
idea.
7.
Okay, so we escaped Santa's office. Look how cool his office is. Look how many letters he got. How does he go through them all?
I don't know.
I don't know. Would you like to sit on this chair next to the fireplace?
That's comfy.
Yeah, but there's like a creepy doll near it.
No.
So I don't think I'd want to be there at nighttime.
No.
Is that a mouse? What is that?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Oh, wait, that's a moose. There's his eyeballs. All right. Oh, what is that?
I think that's an elf, maybe.
You think so?
With a big head.
Is that a beard?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's move on. Where are we going next? We go through the next door and we end up in the basement. Ooh, the basement of the workshop. There are lots of presents hidden down there. Who hides presents in the basement?
I don't know.
Jeez. There are 4 presents in the corner. Each present, what's each tell us to do? Okay. Each present has 4 ribbons on it. How many? And a tied bow on the top. How many ribbons are on the boxes? What do you think?
4 times
4 times 4. Think about it. 4 times 4. 4 times 4. Let's say it together. In 3, 2, 1. 16. Oh, 16 ribbons. All right, let's check it out. Yes, we escaped the basement. We can go up the steps. We're going to make it all the way to the top of the steps. I hope we're out of the basement. Let's find out. All right, we climb the stairs out of the basement and we enter a kid's playroom. Wait, Santa has a kid? Does he have a kid?
I don't know.
If he had a kid, what would he name it?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think he would probably name it like something.
Mistletoe?
That would be a funny name. All right, Mistletoe, you take it away here. That'd be funny. There are toys everywhere. You see 3 big bags of toys in the playroom. This kid sounds lucky.
Yeah.
There are 12 toys in each bag. Each tells us to? Times. How many toys are in the playroom? 3 times 12.
36.
36? You think it's 36? Let's check it out.
Yeah.
36. All right, let me just see. Boom. 36. Yes, we escaped the playroom. All right. Where are we going to go next? Where do you think we're going to go next? We're out of the playroom.
I think we're going to go into Elf's workshop.
The workshop?
Yeah.
Nope, we're in a bedroom. Whose bedroom is it?
Santa's.
There's lots of... It's Santa. He has lots of pillows on his bed. If the first bed... Wait, there's more than one bed in there. If the first bed has 6 pillows on it, how many pillows would be on 4 beds? There's 5 beds in his bedroom.
I think...
Does he sleep with the elves in his room?
Maybe it's him, his wife, and his kids.
Him, his wife, they all sleep in the same room? I would have thought his castle would be huge. 6 pillows, 4 beds. How many are there if each one has 6 pillows?
Easy. 24.
That's easy for you?
Yeah, because 4 just added 2 in front.
Yeah, but... Okay, but why did you add the
6 minus 4. 2.
Wow, you're being
2 in
weird.
front of 4.
Now, how do you know 6 times 4?
I just know it.
Why? Because you've been practicing? Where do you practice?
At school.
Do you practice on your tablet too?
No.
You don't practice multiplication on your tablet?
I do.
With what program?
Extra math.
Oh, extra math. You think extra math has helped you learn your numbers? Oh, maybe extra math is really good for you. All right, so there's 24 pillows. 24 pillows on there. So we're finally out of the bedroom. So where's Santa sleep? Does he sleep on the doors? Oh, the door or the window side? Both of them. Does he sleep on the door and window side or the other side?
What?
Where does he sleep? Does he sleep?
This side.
He sleeps
so
on this side?
when he has to go to the bathroom, he just jumps out of bed.
This is him right here sleeping, and he jumps out of bed and goes to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay, but who's eating the cookies then? Mrs. Claus? She has a cup of something and cookies next. So who's...
What about a cup of milk?
Yeah, but who has cookies next to their bed when they're trying to sleep?
Santa Claus.
Okay, well, fine. Santa Claus is... So he reaches over Mrs. Claus so that he can get it. He's like, hey, I'm just trying to get a cookie here.
And then he smells his armpit.
Oh, God. I'm sure that's nasty. All right, next. You walk down the stairs and you're in the foyer with a toy of the toy workshop. You can see that the front door. Oh, wait. You can see the front door. You're almost out of here. There are 7 bells hanging from the front door. That's a lot of bells. If each bell chimes 7 times, 7 bells, 7 chimes, times 7 chimes.
I think I know 7 times 7.
Let's say it together and see if you know it. 7 times 7 equals 49. Okay, so 49.
I know it says extra math.
Oh, you know it because of extra math. Let's check it. You got it. Now you're in. You escaped the foyer. You know what a foyer is?
No.
A foyer is like the entrance to an area. So like this house, you walk in the door, and like this is considered your foyer, and then you would have to walk in here to the living room. So the foyer is like this opening area when you first walk in. You're like, oh, look, I'm in the foyer. All right. Foyer. Oh, you're at the front door. Click on the door to push it open and make your escape. Click on the door. Reach up there and click the door, Katie.
Okay.
Congratulations. You solved the clues and escaped the toy workshop. Enjoy your winter break.
Ow.
Nice work. All right, we made it, guys. So hopefully you found Katie's help to be very helpful today. And we'll catch you later. Katie, you got to palm the camera. You got to palm it. Palm the camera.
What?
You got to put your palm on the camera. Find the camera. Put your palm on it. 3, palm it.